Hey everyone, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you're here because today I'm sharing my favorite clever packing and travel hacks for your spring break vacation or any vacation in general. This video is in collaboration with Carrington Clark. Carrington is a lifestyle YouTuber like me, and she is showing you all road trip essentials today. So if you're taking a road trip soon, be sure to click the link down below and check out Carrington's channel. So without further ado, make sure you guys subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get right into it. My first tip is to hook your earrings into the holes in your watch. This is super clever and will save space and ensure that those earring backings will not get lost, because I lose those so often, it's crazy. My next tip is to throw all of your clothes, toiletries, and other items you're not sure or you know for sure you want to take on your vacation the week before into your suitcase, so that when the time does come a few days before your vacation, you can take everything out and organize it all so that you make sure you have everything and nothing gets lost or forgotten. And I love rolling my clothes because it saves so much space. And setting out your clothes a week in advance will ensure that you won't have to do any extra unexpected loads of laundry before you go on your vacation. And I have seriously been using this tip for years, and it has honestly helped me so much. Also, if you can, invest in hard shell luggage. The one shown in this video is only $55 from Ross Dress for Less, and it is so much easier to fit everything into there rather than squishing all of your belongings into a duffel bag. Another tip I have for you guys is to pack your heaviest clothing towards the bottom of your luggage so that everything stays balanced while you are dragging it through the airport. These next two tips kind of go along with each other in a way, because the first one is to pack your socks inside your shoes to save space, and the second is to pack things like sunglasses, toiletry bags, and undergarments inside a bag to save space as well. I always like to bring a dirty clothes bag so I can decipher what is clean and what is not when I get back from my vacation, and just throw that dirty clothes bag that I have into the wash. But one tip I have for this is to pack a pillowcase if you don't have something like a department store bag, but put it in the lining of your suitcase so that it doesn't take up space where clothes and other things could be put. My second to last tip is to always take a picture of your luggage if you are checking it, because if heaven forbid it gets lost, having a picture will speed up the paperwork and insurance process times a million. My final major tip is also for checked bags, and that is to tie a ribbon of sorts. I just have this random gold one that I found around the handle on your luggage so that you can easily spot it when it is coming down the luggage chain. Lastly are two quick things not to forget while you're packing for your vacay, and the first one is the more old school headphones with a round plug-in so that you can watch movies on the airplane, and the second thing not to forget is just body spray or body mist, because I have had traumatizing experiences where the people next to me do not smell the nicest and it is a bad flight. So make sure you bring that. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and you can subscribe right down below if you're new. I hope you all have a wonderful vacation, and I will see you next time. Bye guys, happy spring break.